Running out of battery on your MacBook Air M4 during a busy day is the kind of stress no one needs in 2025. That's why today's video is a must-watch. We're diving into the 5 best MacBook Air M4 quick-charge power banks that keep you powered up no matter where you are. Whether you're working remotely, traveling, or binge-watching your favorite shows, these portable chargers are game-changers. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget, all product links are in the description below, so you can grab yours while watching. Let's jump right in. The number 5 product on our list is Baseus 100-watt power bank. Powering a MacBook Air M4 on the go just got a serious upgrade with the Baseus 100-watt power bank, one of the absolute must-haves in the 5 best MacBook Air M4 Quick-Charge Powerbanks 2025. What makes this charger a standout is its balance of muscle and mobility. Despite packing 100 watt of fast-charging power, it's surprisingly slim and lightweight, sliding into your bag like a notebook. Need a quick boost? It can charge your MacBook Air M4 up to 36% in just 30 minutes. That's clutch when deadlines are calling or you're mid-edit in a coffee shop. The dual USB-C and USB-A ports mean you're not just charging your MacBook, you're powering your entire digital life. The LED display is another slick touch, giving you a clear read on remaining juice and fast charge status without guessing. Add in Baseus's BPSII safety tech and a 100-watt USB-C-to-C cable right in the box, and you've got a trustworthy high-speed travel companion. For creators, commuters, or anyone who lives untethered, this power bank is a game-changer for your MacBook Air M4 setup. At number 4 is CUKTECH 45-watt power bank. When portability meets serious performance, you get the CUKTECH 45-watt power bank. An essential pick in the 5 best MacBook Air M4 quick-charge power banks 2025, this compact beast delivers a reliable 45-watt output that handles your MacBook Air M4 like a pro, topping it up smoothly while you're in motion. Its built-in USB-C cable doubles as a handy carrying strap, eliminating cable clutter while staying rugged enough to survive 10,000-plus bends. Whether you're in class, commuting, or mid-flight, the 20,000 mAh capacity is a true lifesaver, powering your MacBook Air M4 tablet and phone all at once with ease. You can even juice up 3 devices simultaneously, and the trickle charge mode is a thoughtful addition for wearables like earbuds and smartwatches. It's ULCE and FCC certified, so your power stays safe and steady. The sleek form factor and weight-to-capacity balance make it feel tailor-made for travel. If you want a reliable, fast, and no-fuss way to keep your MacBook Air M4 charged anytime, anywhere, the CUKTECH Power Bank is one of the smartest investments for your tech setup in 2025. The third one on our list is INIU 140-watt power bank. Power users, meet your new best friend, the INIU 140-watt power bank, a true titan featured in the 5 best MacBook Air M4 quick-charge power banks 2025. This isn't just a backup charger, it's a portable power station that keeps your MacBook Air M4 energized no matter where life takes you. With a cutting-edge 140-watt PD 3.1 output, it charges your MacBook Air M4 faster than you'd expect. No waiting, no compromise. The massive 27,000 mAh battery is airline-approved and ideal for long workdays, flights, or back-to-back Zoom calls. You can even power 3 devices simultaneously thanks to its triple-port layout, which includes a blazing 140-watt USB-C, a 45-watt USB-C, and a USB-A. The real standout? The smart LED display that shows not just battery percentage, but estimated recharge time. It's sleek, functional, and genuinely helpful. Built with premium safety tech and backed by INIU's industry-leading 3-year warranty, this power bank brings both confidence and convenience. Whether you're editing video on your MacBook Air M4 or just need peace of mind on the go, the INIU 140-watt is one of the most powerful and reliable options you can carry in 2025. On number 2 is UGREEN 145-watt power bank. Comes in, power on the move isn't just a convenience, it's survival, especially for MacBook Air M4 users in 2025 juggling work, travel and everything in between. That's where the UGREEN 145-watt power bank comes in hot, earning its place on the 5 best MacBook Air M4 Quick-Charge Powerbanks 2025 list. With its beastly 145-watt output and 140 W from a single USB-C port, it charges your MacBook Air M4 from 0 to more than halfway in just half an hour. The 25,000 mAh capacity means you're covered for full-day productivity or binge sessions powering your laptop 1.3 times or your phone over 5. It recharges itself just as fast, with two-way 65-watt input/output that cuts waiting time drastically. The sleek design fits easily in your bag, while the digital display keeps your power levels in check at a glance. Whether you're editing videos in a cafe or racing through airport terminals, this power bank keeps up without breaking a sweat. For serious MacBook Air M4 users, UGREEN delivers power, speed, and peace of mind in one compact package. Now moving to the last one is Anker 140-watt power bank. Running low on battery is a nightmare, especially when you rely on your MacBook Air M4 for serious work or content creation. That's why the Anker 737 power bank makes such a bold statement in the 5 best MacBook Air M4 Quick-Charge Powerbanks 2025, packing a monstrous 24,000 mAh battery with 140-watt power delivery 3.1 support. It powers your MacBook Air M4 at full speed, 0 to significant in minutes. What sets this one apart is its real-time smart digital display giving you live input/output stats and estimated recharge time, so you're always in control. Whether you're deep into video editing or managing a client call from the road, this power bank doesn't flinch. It even recharges quickly via two-way fast charging, so downtime stays minimal. Despite its power, it's TSA approved and compact, barely bigger than a soda can, making it a perfect travel buddy. Anker includes a premium USB-C to USB-C cable and travel pouch, adding even more value. For MacBook Air M4 users who demand reliable, fast and smart charging on the go, this one isn't just a power bank. It's peace of mind in your bag. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best MacBook Air M4 Quick Charge Powerbanks 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.